Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to safely downgrade Nothing OS on Nothing phones. As you can see, I'm using a Nothing Phone 1. Right now, this Nothing Phone 1 is running Nothing OS 3.0 based on Android 15, and in this video, I'll be downgrading it to Nothing OS 2.6, which is based on Android 14. If you want to downgrade because of bugs, ads, performance issues, or if the older version felt smoother and more stable, or even if you're facing battery backup problems, this method will help you. You can follow the same process on any Nothing phone, but make sure you download the correct files for your specific model. Links are in description, just make sure you follow each step carefully to avoid any issues. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now, open Settings on your phone. Scroll all the way down and tap on About Phone. As you can see, tap on the Nothing OS version, tap on the build number around 4 to 5 times, until you see a message saying Developer Options Enabled. Go back twice. Then tap on System, open Developer Options. Scroll down a little, look for the option called OEM Unlocking, and turn it ON. This step is very important for unlocking the bootloader. Don't worry, after downgrading, we will lock it again. Now, scroll down a bit more, and enable USB debugging as well. Once both options are enabled, turn off your phone completely. Make sure you watch the full video, so you don't run into any problems. I'll fast forward this part a little. Now, we need to boot the phone into bootloader mode. To do that, press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Once you see this screen, connect your phone to your laptop using a data cable. All the required drivers, files, applications, and other prerequisites are linked in the description below. If you want a dedicated video on installing drivers and setting everything up, let me know in the comments. Let me take you to my laptop screen. Now, open the Platform Tools folder. Click on the address bar at the top, press backspace or delete everything, type CMD and hit enter. A command prompt window will now open. Here, type fastboot devices and press enter. If your phone is detected, you'll see a random serial number, followed by the word fastboot. If it says waiting for device, or shows nothing, or gives an error like device not found, then there is an issue with the drivers you installed. Now, open the All Commands text file. Copy the command to unlock the bootloader. Paste it into the command prompt, and hit enter. As soon as you press enter, you'll get a prompt on your phone screen. Use the volume buttons to navigate, and the power button to select. Choose the option Unlock the bootloader. Back on your computer, you'll see a message saying the process is finished, along with a total time shown in milliseconds. This means the bootloader has been unlocked successfully. You might see this warning screen, just ignore it for now, and let the phone boot normally. I'll fast forward this part. Once the phone turns on completely, power it off again, and boot back into bootloader mode using the same button combination as before. Now, connect the phone again to your laptop using a data cable. Back on the computer screen, open the Nothing OS folder where you extracted the downloaded files. Inside that folder, run the file called Flash.bat. When it asks whether the bootloader is unlocked, press Y on your keyboard. Next, it will ask if your phone is in bootloader mode. Press Y again. After that, it will ask if you have downloaded and installed the fastboot driver and the fastboot driver properly. Press Y to confirm. Press Y once again to begin the process. Now, it will ask if you want to proceed without hash verification. Press Y again to continue. At this point, the Platform Tools installation will start. Make sure your laptop is connected to a stable internet connection. I'll fast forward this part a little. Next, it will ask whether you want to wipe data. Press Y on your keyboard. If you select N here, your device may get stuck in a boot loop or fail to boot properly. If it asks whether you want to flash images on both slots, press N. If it then asks whether you want to disable Android Verified Boot, press N again. If you select Y here, you won't be able to relock the bootloader later. Now, your phone will reboot into fast boot mode. Make sure you have installed the fast boot drivers as well. If not, the process may get stuck on a screen saying waiting for device. If everything is installed correctly, the flashing process will start automatically. This may take some time, usually around 10 to 12 minutes, or sometimes even less. I'll skip this part. Once it asks to reboot the system, press Y. Now, let's look at the phone. As you can see, Nothing OS 2.6 has been installed successfully, and the phone has been downgraded. Now, the final step is to relock the bootloader. To relock the bootloader, turn off your phone, and boot into bootloader mode once again. Now, connect the phone to your laptop using a data cable, and open Command Prompt on your computer. Copy the bootloader relock command, paste it into the command prompt, and hit Enter. You may see this confirmation screen on your phone again. Use the volume buttons to navigate, and the power button to select. Choose the option Lock the bootloader. Once you confirm, the phone will erase data and reboot automatically. Now, as you can see, the phone has been safely and successfully downgraded. We also don't see the bootloader unlocked warning anymore, which means the bootloader has been relocked properly. You can now enjoy the smoother and more stable older version of Nothing OS. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Let me know in the comments if you want a dedicated video on any related topic. And if you get stuck anywhere during the process, drop a comment below. I'll try my best to help you out. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!